Today we're hosting a workshop trying to understand how AI might help use cases within the asset finance world.
We've got representatives here from a number of finance providers to analyse the potential use cases for AI in asset finance. We've had some presentations today from the Lendscape team and from myself demonstrating some of the capabilities of these new AI tools, and we've kind of then moved out into breakout groups to work through and come up with the areas that we think represent the highest value for applying AI within those businesses.
Really enjoying the workshop today. Very informative, finding out what is available in the industry and what else you could do in future.
These workshops are helping to understand the use of AI into their daily businesses and into their customer management as well.
I've been hugely inspired and motivated by today. I particularly enjoy hearing practitioners who really have expertise in their domain, bringing their voice to these conversations. And with the expertise that we have, together, I just feel like we're doing something that's greater than the sum of its parts. It's very exciting.